Hey, Wayne here, and I wanted to quickly show you some bikes that my sister and I bought. We bought a pair of Aventon Aventure bikes. That's hers. It's a step through. Doesn't have the bar here in the middle. Here's my bike. I have the regular Aventon Aventure, and we love these bikes. A lot of fun. We got them to mostly ride for fun and to get some exercise while doing it. And these bikes really fit that perfectly for us. So they come with a Bafang 750 watt motor. These fenders, shocks, headlight. But let me turn the bike on. So you turn it on by pushing this button. It turns green. You need a key to take the battery in and out, but you can charge it on the bike through a port right here. So once you get the bike on, you push this button here and hold it, and the computer turns on. All right, so once the bike is on, if it's nighttime or you just want the light on, there is a button here to turn on the headlight that the bike came with. And that light is nice and bright. We've ridden these bikes at night, no problem at all. So very nice touch there. We added a few things here, like, let's start with the mirrors. We added these rear view mirrors, which make it really helpful for like when we're riding together. I like to keep an eye on my sister, make sure she hasn't fallen somewhere. But at the same time, we have these helmets, Sena M1 EVOs, which are really nice. They have an intercom system, so we're constantly talking with each other, letting each other know if there's traffic coming or something like that. Built-in headphones, so our speakers, and the microphone right here. So you don't have to add anything else to this. You get a set of these and you're all set. We added these racks, the front and the rear rack. We bought from Aventon. We added them. This bike bag, trunk bag by RockBros, we added this. I'm going to add links underneath the video for all this stuff in case you're interested in buying any of it. Oh, the bike has the rear brake light. So, and it's really bright, works really well. Cloud 9 seat. But the star of this show right here, for things that we added to the bike, would be this Suntour suspension bike post. This has made a huge difference on how the bike rides. So when my sister was riding and I pulled up alongside her, and it was not a bumpy road, I could see this kind of making little adjustments while we were riding. And because I was wondering, why is it so much more comfortable even when I'm not going over bumps? And that's why this seat's constantly being adjusted by this. So that's a great plus. And wanted to show you really quick on the mode for the power, the assist. So right now it's set to 0. If I push the top of this button here, the modes will change from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 and to 5. So you got 5 modes there. And the difference from what I can tell is each mode will get you to 20 miles per hour. But depending on what mode, the torque kicks in a little bit more on each one and will get you there faster. So also, if you're in any of these modes and you start pedaling, you'll feel it kick in. So, but if you're on 1 or 2, it'll be a little more of a gradual kick in than if you're on 5, where it'll just kind of start to take off. It's not really that bad or anything, but I like it. I like riding around 3, 4, and 5, but 1 and 2 is just as good. So you've got a tripometer and an odometer. The battery's supposed to be good for up to, I think it's 45 miles. And I like that it has a percentage there, so you can really tell when the bike needs to be recharged. So we were recharging it every night, and now we just recharge it, well, when it needs it. And we've been riding for a few days and it's only down to 52%. So we're pretty good there. So anyways, that's everything the bike comes with. We're loving it. I'm going to show you a quick unboxing and a little bit of us riding. So stay tuned, and I will switch over now, or now. Right here. Yep. All right, so let's start taking everything, but we still gotta get everything off of it. Let's bring that box back over here.
There you go.
There we go. Oh, I'm gonna go right out into the water.